Oh. Oh. What are you doing? Woo. Hey, no chewing on the baby toys. No. Dang it. Darn dog. I don't know who's more excited about the toy, Tai Tai or the dog. Don't give it to the dog. No. Ay, 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 ay. Ah. Whoop. Oh. Don't hit the dog. No wonder she's chewing on your reindeer. Good grief. Are you tired yet? No? You're not tired yet? Silly boy. Oh. Hey. Woo. Really? Woo! Hey, baby. Look, here's your teddy. Whoop. Oh, yes, and now we've got our pants on our head. So that's why we have clothes everywhere. Because we gotta have pants on our head. Oh. What are you eating? What are you eating? There's nothing on the floor for you to eat. Oh yeah, you can't have that, no. That's a leaf, dude. You don't need the leaf. No, you don't need it. No. You don't need the piece of carpet either. Tai Tai, look. Come here. Tyler, look. Here's Teddy. Here's Teddy. Come play with Teddy. No, don't eat the carpets. No. Hi. There you go. Whoop. This child never gets exhausted. Just play, play, play. Whoop. Scratch a doggy. Scratch a doggy. Don't play with her tail. You know you've got a good dog when she just stands there. Yeah. There's nothing at the door key. Gentle with the dog, Tyler. I know, that's her tail. It's so fascinating. Kiara, you're supposed to wag your tail for him. Yeah, wag the puppy's tail for her. The door is so fascinating. Ah! Gotta chase after the doggy. Woo! Getting exercise for both the dog and the baby. Woo! Kiara, you're so mean. No choking, please. Really? Are we choking? Taylor's very concerned for the doggy. Oh yes, kiss the baby. No choking, Key. What are you choking on? Right, Tyler. Tyler. Ty. Come here. Come. Oh, woo. Oh. Are we gonna play with the dog now? Role reversal. Baby chases dog for a while. Now dog chases baby. The life of a toddler. Tyler. Tyler. Come play with Teddy. Come get Teddy. There we go.